can replace a window without replacing the frame. It's not recommended in case, unless there's some extenuating circumstances that come with that. One circumstance would be if it's an older home that has very intricate, detailed trim work that you wouldn't be able to duplicate, or it would be very, very costly. Sometimes you can do a replacement where you wouldn't disturb the interior trim and could reuse that. But most often, you're going to want to get down to the rough opening of the window frame, because you're not, if you've just replaced the window and not the frame, you're not getting access to that rough opening, which hides any damage that has been going on over the years. If there's something back there, some rot, or there's been water or moisture getting in, you're not able to see that, you're not able to address it, and you're also not able to insulate around that window as good as you could if you were to replace the window and the frame.